Hello guys, today we're going to be comparing the small visual differences between iOS 16 and iOS 17 that wasn't really mentioned in the WWDC 23 keynote. By the way, before we get started, I just found out that 99.9% of people watching aren't subscribed lol.
Huh?
So please do subscribe. It would help out a ton, thanks. 1. AirDrop. Two, live photo wallpaper. Three, live photo icons. Four, Bouncy Animations. Five, font weight picker. Six, hearing options. Seven, Shazam UI Change. Eight, app kill bug fix. Spotlight search. Ten, multiple timers. That's about it, guys. If you like the video, please press that like button. It'll help out a ton. Also, comment any questions down below. Goodbye. Watch this video to learn how to get iOS 17 right now, and click this to learn how to get free Minecraft.